Hello friends, it's Phil, and the question today that we're all pondering is, when you start your lawnmower, particularly a Hater 48 Pro, the most delicious lawnmower in the universe, oh well, not in the universe, but certainly in my universe, it's delicious, isn't it? Oh, look at that carburetor. But look, how long do you run it on the choke setting, which is push this forward, all the way forward. There you go. If you have a little look-see, you can see it's choke at the bottom there. How long do you put the choke setting on for? Good question, isn't it? So look, I'm going to tell you how long it is, and I'll try and highlight to you why. Right, so that is started, and we've got about 10 seconds so far. Leave it a bit longer. Now, the test is, when you take the choke off, can you hear that? There's absolutely no change in the engine sound. In effect, what happens is, the engine's kind of already warmed up, it's quite warm, but you leave the choke on just long enough to warm the engine up, and the tell is, when you take it off the choke, if the engine starts to slow down or judder or make a funny noise, you know that you need to leave it on choke for a little bit longer. So leave it on choke, test it by taking the choke off, and then if it's alright, we'll just run normally, and if it's not, you have to put choke on for a bit more, just to warm it up a little bit more, run it a bit richer, and then eventually, yes my friends, we'll be ready for a cut. Anyway, that's what we're going to do now, so leave it there. Ta-da.